Hello everyone, I'm Twinkle Sharma helping you crack Microsoft certifications. So today our topic is Azure Migrate now of Azure 900 fundamentals. What is Azure Migrate? Is a centralized service that helps you discover assets and migrate on-premises workload including servers, databases, applications and virtual machines VMs to Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure Migrate acts as a migration hub that offers tools and guidance for discovery and assessment of your current environment, migration of infrastructures, apps, and databases, modernization using Azure native services, core component, discovery and assessment tool. Purpose automatically discovers and analysis on on-prem service servers, VMware, Hyper-V, bare metal for migration readiness. Server migration tool migrates servers as is to Azure virtual machines. Database migration tool helps move SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL databases to Azure. Web app migration tool assesses and migrates web apps to Azure App Service. App containerization tool converts legacy .NET and Java apps into Docker containers. ISV integration supports third-party tools like Mover, Carbonite, Zato, and Current. Migration scenarios supported the workload Windows Linux servers migrate to Azure virtual machines. VMware Hyper-V virtual machines. Azure as infrastructure as a service. Databases SQL, MySQL, etc. Azure SQL, Azure Database for MySQL, PostgreSQL. Web apps, Azure App Service, .NET/Java apps, containers on Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. What is Azure Data Box? Azure Data Box is a physical device provided by Microsoft that you order via the Azure portal. Or we can also say that the Azure Data Box is a secure, ruggedized data transfer appliance that helps you move large amount of data terabytes to petabytes into Azure offline bypassing internet limitations. You can copy your data onto the device, ship it back to Microsoft, and they upload the data to your Azure storage account. Idle when network bandwidth is too low or transfer would take too long. Identify Azure file movement options. Azure file movement option is at copy command line tool for fast and secure data transfer, supports blob file and table storage, great for one time or scriptable transfers, lightweight cross platform Windows, Linux, MacOS. Azure Storage Explorer GUI tool for uploading, downloading, and managing files in Azure Storage. Good for interactive manual operations. Work with blobs, file queue, and table storage. Azure Data Box physical appliance for offline bulk transfers. TB PB scale. Options: Data box disk, Data box heavy, idle WAN network bandwidth is limited. Azure File Sync extends on-premises Windows servers with cloud tiering and sync. Automatically syncs local file shares with Azure File Storage. Supports multiple branch offices and centralized backups. Azure Migrate end-to-end solution for discovering, assessing, and migrating servers and file shares. Supports file migrations as part of application lift and shift. Robocopy plus Azure File Share. Use Robocopy and Xcopy with mounted Azure file shares. Familiar tools for Windows administrators. Idle for smaller or scheduled copy jobs. Third-party tools. Tools like Arclone, Cloudberry, GS Rich Copy, and VM. Useful for advanced scheduling, versioning, and backup scenarios. Then we have method and best for online offline automation ready. So the AZ copy, which is the Azure copy, fast scriptable transfers. It is a online. Yes, it is automated. Then Storage Explorer, manual GUI based transfers, online, no automation ready. Data box, large offline transfers. It is a offline partially automation. File syncs, hybrid cloud with sync and tiering only. Yes, automated. Azure migrate. Server file share migrations online and automated also. Robocopy plus SMB. Admin scripting with mounted shares. Online and yes, automated also. Third party tools. Backup and advanced work follows. Online and yes, automated it is. Then we have the Microsoft Entra ID, which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you for today. Bye bye.